Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing of Cooler Master ELV8, that's ELV8 I guess, graphics card holder with addressable RGB. This will support ASUS ASRock, Gigabyte and MSI boards if you have a 3-pin addressable RGB header in your motherboard. If you don't have a 3-pin RGB header, you will need additional controller to light up the strip according to your wanting. So let's not wait and open up the box and see what's inside. How does it feel? Here's my rusty blade. So let's see. So I guess I cut it all, so the wrong way. No, I guess it's the right way. No, it's the wrong way. Okay, it's okay. So it will open up just this way. So some user guides, warranty information. I don't know did I get warranty or not. In this type of products you don't need warranty usually. This is the installation guide. You can look here. As I described it, you're gonna need a 3-pin RGB header for normal motherboards, usually without Gigabyte boards, and a special connector, VDG connector, for older Gigabyte boards. As I know, some newer Gigabyte boards are adopting this header as this is more common. So this is the way you would screw it up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that was behind, and you can see the screw ups under your graphics card and the way of physically installing it and plugging it with your RGB header inside your casing. So okay, good documentation if you need it. So here is what I get: a Cooler Master. What is this product? Let's check it out. It's pretty solid material. I guess it's plastic. It's metal, I guess. Yes, it is metal, and the backing is metal. So how long is the strip? So this long, I guess, pretty long. To if you want, if you have the RGB header in the bottom of your motherboard, you will be easily able to plug it in. So with your 3-pin addressable RGB header, and here it is. So pretty solid, and here's the mechanism. So if you unscrew it, it will flex the way you want, and you will just tighten it to just. Okay, I didn't tighten it enough. So okay, here it is. So what else do we get? Nothing else inside the box. So I guess it is an extender if you need it. So a connector for your Gigabyte boards. As you can see, if it is enough to connect with your board directly, is it long enough? But if it isn't long enough, you can just use this additional cable. A good inclusion, I guess. And this one is if you can it will just hold your plug securely. I can show you what it is. You'll just need this one and plug it with this. Oh, again, I did it the wrong way. So here we go, and you can just clip it, and this will securely place it, and it won't unplug it. So pretty nice inclusion. And this is an additional 3-pin RGB. If you need it, I guess you won't need it, but it is really great that they included it. So I guess I won't be needing all this. I'll just directly connect it to my motherboard, and here is three additional screws. I'll just need to connect it with my motherboard. I mean, sorry, I meant the casing to hold my graphics card securely. So here's the thing. I guess I thought it is a white light, and I see it is a chrome. I'm not sure will it light up or not. Let's see. And this whole strip will light up like an addressable RGB. And as you can see, you can just yes, do this way, and your length of your graphics card, it will just adjust it. It won't swivel around, just that you can't do the other way. No, pretty nice build quality. I like it, and I like the looks of it, so I just bought it. So here's my PC. As you can see, there is a noticeable sag in my graphics card, which I didn't like. It should have been like this instead of this. So let's try the vertical graphics card holder and check it out.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah, take you like a pill.
So as you can see, as I have a MSI board, so I'm using a Mystic Light app in the Dragon Center of MSI. So let's check out how can I change the lighting and check out the lighting effects set default by MSI Mystic Light. So I should right click here, the header I just used. I'm clicking the header, and as you can see, it's CPU temperature here written, and the light is now showing green because the CPU is now cold and comparatively colder. So let's set up rainbow and apply. So you can see the lighting effects is changing. So I am not sure am I gonna keep it or not. So let's check out the different another mode, meteor, apply. So you can see the lighting is now doing another effect. I'll just keep it static. So just keep it steady, and along with all my lighting I should keep it blue. So apply, it should light up blue. So brightness is comparatively high for me, so I guess this will be alright. In my home country, this vertical universal graphics card holder is priced at 2000 taka, which is roughly $26, and in USA this is priced at $27, and in other countries I guess this is somewhere around the same. This part is for the ones you don't have an ARGB header on your motherboard. You will be able to buy this one and control the lighting on your ARGB strip. So this one has limited features and limited lighting features, but I guess this is decent enough. You won't be able to control with a software, but you can just do the lighting fine with this. This is priced at around $20. I guess this is a fair price, and if you don't have this one you can go with this one, but I personally prefer the Cooler Master, simply because I guess it's reliable. I used an ARGB controller, it was very reliable. So there is another controller, I guess this has more features. and you can buy this and control the ARGB lighting with this one. This one has more ports and more features, but I guess you will be fine with the cheaper one, the mini one. So thank you for watching. I made the video because this didn't have much videos on YouTube, and the installation wasn't there and the unboxing wasn't there, so I made it. So like you if you liked it, and dislike if you disliked it. Thank you for watching.